I first came here 8 years ago. I had been to chiropractors before. I'm a nurse and I spent 30 years in ICU of heavy lifting, and I have scars and torn tissues. And so my son-in-law is actually the one who suggested that I try him because I wasn't happy with anybody that I had tried before. I mean, he tells me what he's going to do. He obviously knows what he's doing because he tells me exactly what position to get in. It gives you a lot of faith when they can say, okay, now tilt your head this way, put your chin down, and they're not just yanking on your head. Besides being a nurse, and I have scar tissue in my left shoulder from an injury in the ICU where I tore the muscles. I also have rheumatoid arthritis and lupus. So just keeping my joints going is sometimes an effort. Like right now, I have tendonitis in my left shoulder that I've had for almost a year. It gets worse at times, but it's amazing what one little pop and put that tendon back in the groove where it belongs can do for your pain. Dr. Todd, he's very easy to talk to. He's got kind of a quirky personality. He's always joking, but you know, his knowledge base is great. I can call him up and ask him a question about something dietary, and he can tell me off the top of his head whether it's good for me or bad for me. You know, he follows my labs, but much differently than a medical doctor does, because, you know, when you're seeing a medical doctor, you have a range, and as long as your labs fall in that range, they're okay with it. But when you're seeing a functional medicine doctor, that range is not near as big as the lab says a normal range is.